Hi guys, I'm Nayantara reporting for ET Now, and today I have an exclusive story for all of you. And this has to do with the diagnostic space, which is no longer enjoying the tailwind of COVID-19 with stock prices down 40 to 60% year to date. We're going to be talking specifically about Metropolis, promoted by Amira Shah. She and her family still own 50% stake in the company. A few months ago, they had officially taken out a mandate to get a strategic investor on board. And this deal, potential deal, has been linked with players ranging from Apollo Hospitals to Amazon to Flipkart to even the Adani Group. What we at ET Now exclusively understand and are reporting now is that maybe, and there is a chance, maybe this deal could be taken off the table and the mandate may be taken away for now, just given the way the stock price has also been behaving and the fact that Metropolis just cannot get the valuation it was seeking and was in the market for. The stock price of Metropolis year to date is down over 50%, more than 50%. Having said that, what we also understand is that Flipkart was the sole contender and the last one standing when it came to this deal. And Flipkart on its own has now slowed down deal talks. Flipkart is quite bullish when it comes to the diagnostic space. You can also see what Tata Digital, for example, is trying to do with 1MG, what Reliance Jio is also doing when it bought out took that strategic investment in NetMeds. So Flipkart is certain, and even Amazon has been looking at this space in a very, very big way. So Flipkart remains bullish on this space. It's just a question of whether it's going to invest in Metropolis or not. Looking unlikely at this juncture, we do understand that deal talks have slowed down from Flipkart's side as well. Why did Metropolis want a strategic investor in the first place? Of course, it wanted to raise money. It was being touted that the stake sale that would take place would be upwards of $300 million. That's the kind of fundraise we're talking about. But also just the fact that Amira Shah wants to have a strategic investor on board for the new growth wave of the company. The plan is to now go into smaller towns and smaller cities in a big way, 100 of them, open many more new labs, double down on digital as well. So that's why a strategic investor was being roped in. We're now being told that Metropolis is of the view that maybe it's better to just ride the downturn and at a later stage look at maybe reviving the entire deal process for getting a strategic investor on board. Like I told you straight up on top of this video that diagnostic stocks no longer enjoying the COVID-19 tailwinds. There's also fatigue, right? How many of us are going to keep getting tested unless it's absolutely essential? It's chronic. People are not even going out and doing, RT-PCR tests the way they used to. They're relying on rapid antigen tests. But otherwise also, is this revenge dining, revenge shopping, revenge vacationing, and just the tailwind doesn't exist because the pandemic is just not the way it was earlier. So from a Dr. Lal Pathlabs to a Thyrocare to a Metropolis, the stock performance has really not been going well at all. Metropolis wanted more than $1 billion. That's the kind of valuation it had been seeking. Its own market capitalization is now below $1 billion. Metropolis did not answer ET Now's queries. We tried multiple times to reach out to Amira Shah personally by WhatsApp and calls as well. Flipkart told ET Now it's not looking at any such investment in Metropolis.